What's going on, everyone? So we're going to take a little look at the Nasdaq futures as we just opened up here. Currently 4:05 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So what I'm looking at is ticker symbol /NQ on the 1 hour time frame. A couple of levels that I have drawn out on my chart here. We can see a lot of price action and consolidation above this 13,733 area. We do have rejection at 14,000, excuse me, and 14,275. These are the areas that I was looking at to the long side. Actually, this level could be moved up a little bit here. 14,430. So this big channel that we've been in here, ever since we kind of broke above this going back 2 weeks ago to Thursday's price action here, we kind of broke above, tested and held this as support 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and today we have this gap down on the Nasdaq futures. Very, very shocking, but I did, as much as I do not want to see oil prices continue to rise, I do not want to see gas prices continue to rise, and I do not want to see a prolonged war with Russia and Ukraine. Based off of technicals purely, on Friday I did take oil long. So I was very, very much anxiously waiting for the futures to open, just because, just how volatile they've been. I did not want to open up in a very, very bad spot. And to my surprise, we gapped up to $130 a barrel. I quickly sold, and I'm going to do another video recap on that, kind of showing you guys the setup and what exactly I made on that. Definitely was not expecting that by any means. Definitely, what would be considered in the trading world a home run, but not based off of something that I knew was for certain. We never know if these stocks are going higher. We never know if they're going lower. There's always a little bit of luck involved, and basically what you have to do is, keep throwing darts at the dartboard until something hits, and kind of just respecting your risk and respecting your stop loss and your strategy. But with that being said, what I do want to focus on here on the Nasdaq 100, 13,733, being that this area had acted as support multiple times in the past. What I want to really focus on here is if we do get some sort of bounce in the overnight session, if we get some sort of bounce off the open, what I would be looking for, being that we are trading at 13,600, we are about 133 points away from the previous lows that was acting as support. If we do get that 120 point bounce, what I would be very, very cautious at is trying to look for long setups. Even though some stocks you're going to see, they're going to be start off deep red from the gap down that we're going to have from this overnight futures session, you're going to see stocks starting to move up. A lot of times newer traders, they get overly zealous and overly excited when they start to see stocks moving higher, but you have to understand, where are those stocks moving up to? Now, if we do start moving up into the zone of 13,733, we will be moving into an area of supply. This area of supply is going to be pretty significant. Even if we do overshoot 13,733 on the Nasdaq 100, we do have more supply at 13,853, so about another 70 to 80 points higher than that. I would expect more rejection, more choppiness around that range. Truthfully speaking, I would not get extremely bullish on tech stocks going forward until we can get a daily close over 13,929. Okay, 13,929. That's when I'm going to want to start looking for long setups. Right now, what I'm looking for is bounces, and I'm looking to get rejected at supply. And on that rejection, I am looking to short that rejection back down to the next area of support. I hope that helps. This does put us down into the next leg here, the next channel. We do have room into 13,000, so just keep that in mind. As we have a lot of room down here, 600, 700 points. This would, go back to these recent all-time lows on the NQ, and this would definitely put us into a bear market across the board. Not something that we want to see, especially if you're holding long-term positions. Just keep that in mind, guys. Watch the futures. They are going to be your friend, especially when you're trading Nasdaq stocks, trading tech stocks, Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, so forth and so forth. But just kind of wanted to jump on here and quickly reflect on what's going on right now as we speak at 4:10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on the Nasdaq futures. Also, guys, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. And also, if you guys want to trade with me each and every single day live and kind of see the setups that I'm taking, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. And I'm going to see you guys all in the next trading recap video.